Hi, this is Mr. V. Welcome to this video on converting units of length. In life, we'll often find that we are given measurements in one unit when it's really more convenient to work in another. For example, we may be given a distance in meters when really we want to know how many kilometers we need to travel. Or we may be given a length measurement in millimeters when really it's more appropriate to have meters. So we want to be able to convert between these different measurements of length. This diagram lays out some of the simpler conversions of length that we'll be expected to be able to do. Let's put a few of these into practice. In our first example, we want to convert 8.3 kilometers into meters. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these units, and I can see that I want to go from kilometers into meters. Referring to my diagram, kilometers into meters has a scale factor of times 1000. So to convert 8.3 kilometers into meters, I'm going to multiply 8.3 by 1000. Use your calculator if you must, and we'll find that this is 8,300 meters. In our next example, we want to convert 4 meters into centimeters. Going over to our diagram, we can see that going from meters into centimeters, we are going to multiply by 100. Our calculation then is 4 meters is equal to 4 times 100, which is 400 centimeters. And it's the same process all the way through. When we want to convert centimeters into millimeters, we are going to multiply by 10. So 12 centimeters is equal to 12 times 10, which is 120 millimeters. Of course, we also want to be able to do this in reverse. So we want to be able to go from smaller units into larger ones. And when we go from smaller to a larger unit, we divide by these same scale factors. So over here, we want to convert 2,400 meters into kilometers. And when I go from meters into kilometers, we divide by 1,000. So 2,400 meters is equal to 2,400 divided by 1,000, which is 2.4 kilometers. Always make sure you include those units. In the next problem, we want to convert 240 centimeters into meters, and we can see in our diagram that that scale factor is divide by 100. So we are going to change 240 centimeters by dividing 240 by 100, which is 2.4 centimeters. And lastly, we want to convert 48 millimeters. We want to convert 48 millimeters into centimeters. And the scale factor for that is divide by 100. So we are going to convert 48 millimeters by dividing by 10, which is 4.8 centimeters. And I just noticed that up here I made a tiny mistake. The answer here is in meters, of course. So always check those units. And that is how we can convert between the metric units of length.